What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Beats Studio 3 ear cushions. Let's get started. So here are a couple things you will need to successfully replace the ear cushions on the Beats Studio 3. First, a set of ear cushions. Now, I'm personally using the Wicked Cushions Earpads for the Beats Studio 3. They also have replacement cushions for Bose headphones and even other Studio and Beats models. So very neat here. And then you also need a sharp object, and I'll explain later why. The first thing you need to do is find the separation here. So the easiest way to do it, and I suggest you be very careful if you're using a very sharp object like a knife, is to just dig in the knife right here. And then as soon as you place the knife right there between the headset itself and the ear cushion, you're just gonna dig in a little bit deeper, and then you're gonna start splitting it apart. I'm just gonna fast forward past this part. Okay, so now that you put the sharp object in between the headset and the ear cushion, what you're gonna do now is just simply put your finger in between here, as you can see. And now we're just gonna pull it apart. It might be a little bit annoying, but here we go. Okay, keep in mind when you do remove the ear cushion, there's gonna be a lot of adhesive. Make sure you completely remove that adhesive. Make sure there's no adhesive on the ear cushion, on the headphone itself whatsoever. So I'm continuing to remove. Okay, so as you can see, this is what your headset should look like on the inside before it's ready to be, before you put the new ear cushion in. So I'm gonna show you what to do next before you put the ear cushions in. Now, if you do get the ear cushion packaging here and the ear cushions themselves from Wicked Cushions, they do include an alcohol pad, and I'm sure other cushions do as well. But because I'm using the Wicked Cushions, it is included with mine. So what you do now is you take off the packaging, you remove everything, and you take the alcohol wipe, and you're just gonna clean the headset right here all around to make sure it's completely clean and disinfected. And now we start putting on the new ear cushions, which I have right here. So let's do that now. So with the replacement ear cushion, you have this adhesive right here that you have to remove. So let's do that now. And then as you can see, there's holes around the replacement ear cushion, but these holes are matched with those tiny pieces of raised plastic. I don't know if you can see it here. So what we're gonna do is just align that right here as best as you can. So let's do that now. Okay, so it is fully aligned. Once it is, you're just gonna press down a little bit hard, not completely hard so you don't break the headphones, but you're just gonna apply enough pressure for about a minute so that way it gets into place. Now I'm gonna do the same replacement with the other ear cushion, and I'll come back. Okay everyone, so this is what the finished product looks like, and as you can see here, this is the disaster that is left after fixing this mess. So as you can see, we're all set. Everything works just fine. The cushions look beautiful comparing to this one. So definitely night and day difference here. So this was my video on how to replace your earpad cushions for the Beats Studio 3. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.